You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that is probably one of the most confusing spelling and pronunciation in the English language. If you want to learn more like this one that are so confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up at the end. It's pronounced in English puisne. Don't ask me why it's got an S. I suspect it comes from French, maybe, because the French love to have silent letters in the middle of words. Piu. So it's not P-U-I, it's more like P-I-U, actually. Piu, in the pronunciation at least. Piu, the S is silent, and then ni, with the E pronounced like a short E sound. Puisne. It's easy once you know. Puisne, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.